The highlight of the festival in Dublin is the Pageant of St. Patrick at Croke Park. It tells how Patrick brought Christianity to Ireland 1,500 years ago. Coming at Easter time, Patrick lights the Paschal fire, but in pagan Ireland it is the feast of Baal, when the lighting of fires is forbidden under pain of death. When the strange fire is seen from Tara, the king's troops are sent out and they surround the group of Christians. Patrick defends his action, and after a parley he is summoned to the palace of the High King to explain his mission. At Tara, a banquet is prepared beneath the rows of pagan gods. The High King is impressed by Patrick and is friendly towards him. This evokes the bitter enmity of the chief druid or high priest, who knows well the danger to himself in the downfall of paganism. The druid has poisoned the cup of welcome which the king offers to Patrick. Unexpectedly, he makes the sign of the cross. The High King denounces the druid and proclaims to all men that Patrick is under royal protection and may go in peace. So, encouraged by this success, Patrick starts his battle against the forces of paganism, and this episode ends with his destruction of the false gods.